Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this x. So first of all, we simplify for 5 power of 3 whole square. So we simplify the power rules formula. So a power of m whole power of n equal to a power of n m multiplied by power of n. So they give us x square equal to 5 power of 3 multiplied by power of. So they give us x square equal to 5 power of 6. Now we simplify 5 power of 6. So it means 5 multiplied by 6 times. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 5. So they give us 15,625. No, so x squared equal to 15,625. Now we have x squared. So we take under root both sides. So square under root. So plus minus under root x squared equal to plus minus under root 6 15,625. So they give us x cancel with under root square. So x equal to plus minus 125. No, the value of x is x squared plus 125 and x is equal to minus 125. Thanks for watching.